Hello everyone, I'm here to present our project RFID based car parking system. Let's start with an introduction of what is RFID. RFID is abbreviated as Radio Frequency Identification, where the digital data encoded in RF tags are captured using radio waves. This process is quite similar to barcoding the data and store the data in the database. Car parking management in many organizations include multiple tasks. As the number of vehicles increases, the problem of the manual parking management system also increases. So as to eliminate the problem to some extent, RF based sensor technologies are used. The components used in this project are AT89C51 microcontroller, which is 8-bit and 40-pin, quartz crystal with 11.059 MHz, flat panel 20x2 LCD display, 16-pin L293D driver circuit, low power high performance AT89C51 programmed board, virtual terminal for card processing, DC motor for producing movements. Now let's see the working of this project. This project uses AT89C51 microcontroller and RFID technology. The RFID technology allows only the authorized personnel with valid RFID card to park. First, the ID card is detected by the reader and the card number is sent to the microcontroller. If the card number matches with that of the unique number stored in the database, then the LCD screen displays the details of the authorized personnel of that number and gives access to the person to park. The entry door is programmed with a simple DC motor. When the ID card matches, the motor rotates clockwise for open and anti-clockwise for closing. If the ID card number does not match with that of the database, the LCD display reads "Not allowed for unauthorized person." Functions in the KL coding for simulation. First, the LCD and the driver circuit are connected or assigned to the pins of AT89C51 microcontroller. Then the serial mode is initialized. After that, relay for DC motor to rotate in clockwise and anti-clockwise is assigned. It is followed by the function for LCD display to print when the ID card is detected by the reader. Then the LCD is initialized. Then a function for LCD command is written. After that, the passkey with that of the entered key is checked. Finally, the data is displayed in the LCD.
The simulation of the project RFID-based car parking system is done using Proteus 8 professional application. To start with the simulation, let's press the play button and the LCD screen turns on and displays the data. When it says swipe your card, let's enter the passkey that has been saved in the database and check if it's allowed or not. If the passkey matches with the database, the details of the individual is displayed with the slot allocated for them. The motor is used for displaying the function of door, clockwise for opening, anti-clockwise for closing. Now let's stop the simulation and check with the wrong passkey. The LCD displays the person is not allowed. By this way, we can allocate a slot without any vandalism with other person, and the security is assured by not allowing any outsiders.
The primary advantage of RFID is to eliminate the hassle of manual operation, reduces cost, manpower, and saves time. Here, accurate vehicle in and out timings are noted and vehicle vandalism are reduced. The major limitations are credit card and other monetary card system cannot be used. Further tracking system like number plate tracking, face tracking can also be implemented for future purposes. The general purpose applications of RFID are attendance tracking, product tracking, toll road payments, shipping, libraries, passport, etc.